all the leaves in the trees are dead, and on the ground they make a bed. I'm wondering, should I rest my head, think about the things you said, or should I just forget it all? This is the beginning of fall. The leaves begin to change the color, they're different from one another. Spring is here, along with life, and it's cutting edge just like a knife, as all the plants begin to bloom and darkness is sent to its tomb. But hope it's finally come along. I think I'm learning right from wrong. I think that I am moving on, and finally my past is gone. The abandoned house where we stayed and spent all of our summer days, where all the memories were made, feels like it was yesterday. And I see the waves as they crash and watch the good times as they pass, wishing I could have them back. Summer is gone at last, but hope has finally come along. I think I'm learning right from wrong. I think that I am moving on, and finally my past is gone. Take your time, you just might find life isn't better when you play it in rewinds. If you take your time, you just might find life isn't better when you play it in rewind. But I hope it's finally come along. I think I'm learning right from wrong. I think that I am moving on, and finally my past is gone. And then winter will appear, and then the ending will be clear. Show me which way I should steer, 'cause I'm getting the hell out of here. Said show me which way I should steer, 'cause I'm getting the hell out of here.